supposed to do.
Okay.
So we're all supposed to upload, collect the data. So I don't know why Mackenzie sent us a file of all of the things, because we were all supposed to do that one. But let me look. I think yours is the next one.
So where are you looking at? Where's the thing?
It's that email I sent you.
Oh, it's on the email.
Yeah, of the design the study.
Okay.
Yeah, so it says 1, the writer for design the study was me, which is Colton Randall. 2, everyone writes up and submits their own collect the data document. 3, the main writer for describe the data was Mackenzie. So I think she thought she was the writer for collect the data, but.
Oh, so was I supposed to turn something in on Saturday? Because I didn't.
Yeah, I think we were. Now that I'm looking at it, it says that everyone was supposed to write and submit their own collect the data document of what data they collected.
So is there a form we're supposed to fill out for that?
Yeah, so if you go into your math group project file, there's a collect the data. If you click on that, there's a template that you fill out. And so then Mackenzie is actually supposed to write describe the data. She's supposed to be the writer for describe. And then you're going to do make inferences and take action, and then I'm going to write a PowerPoint.
Okay, so this collect the data, we put the names, state your research question, which is?
It is, I just copied it straight from here, but it says more homes in Rexburg, Idaho put up Christmas lights before Thanksgiving than homes in West Jordan, Utah.
You copied it from where?
That document, that email, the design the study email.
Okay, and then short summary of what you learned.
Yeah. I can send you another copy right now if you want. Let's see.
Okay. So let's see. Box. I've got to figure out how to not get so much crap in my inbox.
Save as. Let's see. Okay. Let me send you. I'll send you it right now.
Yeah, thanks. Because I don't know. I know it's in here, but I don't know where it is.
You want me to send it to your Google account, Teresa Lynn Bodley?
Oh, yeah. You probably put it. Yeah, send it to my Google account. That's what I'm looking in. Maybe it's in my other account, but yeah, put it in my Google. That'd be perfect.
Okay, I just sent it.
Okay, so then. Awesome. Okay, perfect. All right, so we just copy and paste that and then just write what the data we collected and then send.
Yeah.
And then we can just email it back to him.
Yeah. So it says.
That's awkward because I didn't do that yet. So.
Or you can just submit it on here in the collect the data file. I don't know if it should still let you. And maybe just email him and just say, hey, there's some confusion as to who's doing collect the data. We got it figured out. Here's my collect the data.
Okay.
Everyone will write and upload their own document and collect the data. All members of the group should help provide ideas and give feedback to each step in the process. Please collaborate. Each time the main writer completes the document, they need to provide an opportunity for all the group members to give feedback. Each member is responsible to provide thoroughly. After the main writer receives the feedback, they apply it and then submit the document for grading. Please, did you get 100% for design the study?
Let me look. I think I did.
Did you get an A on it?
Yeah, I got an A on it.
Okay, yeah. So he graded it. I was the only one that submitted it, and he graded it for everybody. So that's how he's doing it.
So if she submitted it, then it should be good, or should I?
No, because
Not for this one.
Not for this one. And that's why I was wondering. I didn't say anything. I forgot to say something, but yeah, it says when I started looking at it on Saturday night, it said everyone. But I was a bit confused as well. But then I found that, and then it was past Saturday by the time I figured it out anyway. So I thought we'd just talk about it in our group meeting.
Okay, so I'll just email him.
Yeah, shouldn't be a big deal. All right. Let's see. Yeah, we don't have Mackenzie. I don't think she's gonna come today. So.
Yeah, I bet she's still traveling.
Alrighty, so we'll do part 2.
Okay.
We gotta open the Gharial crocodiles data. Analyze. Okay, did you get that file open?
Yep. So we're gonna go analyze,
correlate, and then
area. Put both of them in there.
Yeah. All right.
Options, means, and standard deviations.
Oh yeah, I forgot to do that. Options.
The options.
Yeah. Okay. And then isn't the R value the one in the second row?
Yeah, it's the 0.986.
Okay, R value is 986. Okay, that's the first one. What is the R value? R equals 0.986. The covariance of the head length and the body length of Gharial crocodiles is, so that would be 0.986 times the standard deviation of both of these.
Right. So
which is 14.397 and 0.018. Need to grab my calculator. Okay, what did you get for that one?
1534.215.
Okay, that's what I got too. Create a scatter plot. This is where I need to look at the directions on this one. Okay.
So you go graph, legacy, scatter plot.
Scatter plot. And then simple, right?
Simple, and then you put the two different things on the X and Y, the body length and the head length on the X and Y axes.
But it doesn't matter which one, right?
I don't think it matters.
I remember reading that they're the same, like it doesn't matter which one.
Yeah.
Okay. It looks pretty normally distributed.
Yeah.
Okay. Discuss the relationship you see in the scatter plot between the two sets of bivariants. So we want to know if it's linear.
Strength, direction, and the so it's linear, it's strong.
It's linear, strong. Positive. It's close to 1 and positive. Yep, perfect. Okay. Open up the group quiz. Man, this test, I think this class is going to be my hardest final of the semester.
You think it is? Yeah.
Because I'm taking a calculus class right now, and it's like, I don't know, maybe calculus just clicks for me, but like I have like a 90, I have a 97 in that class, but this class I'm like 93 on the edge.
Okay, the correlation coefficient is used to qualify.
It's not the strength.
Okay, I wrote that down. I thought the correlation is close, strong. So it's something about. I thought it was
correlation. Oh yeah, it is the strength. The correlation coefficient measures the strength of a linear relationship between two variables.
So it's A.
It does not give the strength of nonlinear. Yes, A.
Yeah.
If the correlation coefficient is negative, when one variable increases, the other will decreases. So C?
Yes, C. And then the effect of outliers on the correlation coefficient is not significant. That's false. It is.
False. It is significant, yeah. Okay, open up Old Faithful. Correlation coefficient between duration and weight of Old Faithful data.
So we go analyze.
Correlate. All right. Looks like 0.901.
Yes.
The covariance now. So I forgot to do options again. Analyze, correlate, options. Okay, so then our standard deviation is 1.1414 times 13.595 times 0.901. What did you get?
13.981.
Okay, that's all I got too. 13.981. Okay. Questions 8 through 13 associate the scatter plot with the correlation coefficient. Type the letters into the box. Okay, so A, that's positive. That's 11, right?
Okay, wait a minute. 8 is what?
A should be 11 because
11. What do you mean 11?
like number 11.
Oh, A is 11. 11 is 0.95. Yeah.
So you put A in 11.
8. Okay, I'm with you. I was confused what you were doing. Okay. So B looks more like it's close.
Or maybe A is, I think A is 9 and B, 11 is B.
What, 11 is B?
Yeah, and A is 9 because 9 is 1.0, and that's like a pretty straight, I mean, that's about as close as it'll get.
Oh, yeah, because there's a 1 on there. So that A, and then 11's probably
close, but not like exactly.
B.
Yeah. C would be, that's a negative relationship is what it looks like. But the rest are negative, huh?
Is it like 0? Because it's like out of control.
I don't remember what 0 looks like. Do you? Oh yeah, it is 0.
It is C.
Yeah. 8 is
And
C.
then,
Yeah, probably.
and D is the -1. So 10 is D.
Yeah. And
And
then
then a
12
negative,
is E.
kind of negative, yeah. So that's E. And
And then 13 is F. So you got C, A, D, B, E, F.
Yes.
Okay. The correlation coefficient between scores and the math efficacy data is. Where's the math?
So we're going to math efficacy data.
Yep. I even had that open.
Oh, you do have it open?
I did, but I
Closed it.
closed it.
Pacing it.
Because that's the one that they had us. One of them they had us work on. Data files.
Okay, so this is math. Okay, so we're just going to go to analyze, correlate, bivariate. Do the options. Okay, what's this asking us again? The covariance.
Yeah.
Are we getting the R? Is that what we're getting?
Let's see. Let me look.
I think it's the R.
Yeah, the correlation coefficient. Yeah, that's the R.
Where?
Which I got 0.728.
Yes, 0.728.
And now I think it wants us to give it the covariance score, which is 0.728 times 16.369 times 0.93. Okay, I got 11.184.
Yes.
Alrighty.
Oh, that's it?
Exactly, that's it.
Okay. I think that looks right.
Yeah, looks pretty good to me.
A is C.
And
1. It's positive. 10. It's negative. Minus B.
variables decrease and increase. Yeah, I'm gonna submit it.
Okay.
See what happens. 100, nice.
Okay, now before you leave,
Okay.
I need you for 1 second.
All right.
Okay, so on the little thing I'm supposed to turn in, I just got to make sure I know what the crap I'm doing. Where is that again? Okay. So I'm going to group project and I'm going to collect the data.
Uh-huh.
So let me just look at this one more time.
Did you get my email?
Yeah, so I'll just put our names on and then the research question I can just copy and provide a short summary. So like, what did you put for that? Because I know I can put my data, include the labels,
So,
like what we sent to Mackenzie, right?
So what I put on there, right, yeah, you put your data. So what I put on there was, I learned that collecting data can be very hard work. I followed our systematic sampling method of going through every fifth street in the phone book to count the number of houses with Christmas lights on and with no lights on. It took a lot of driving around Rexburg to get my final collection numbers, but everything seemed to work out great. I drove along, counted every house on the street, and then marked which ones had lights on. I had to wait until nighttime in order to make my data collection. So I just kind of talked about what I did and
So you just say what you did. And then on 3, you just did what? We sent it to Mackenzie. Just the.
Yes. So for this is where you just attach what you personally collected.
Right.
So let me see if I can show you.
Okay.
There's a screen share button on here. Can you see that now?
We can make it bigger. How do I make that bigger? Here we go.
So that's what I did for my attach the data.
Requirement data where PHAT.
Yeah.
And so basically what we
Yeah.
sent to her.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. All right.
Yep.
Well, I'll just send that, and I guess I'll email him and just say I didn't quite understand it. I had to do it myself.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, no problem.
there you go.
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds great. And then this week we're doing what?
So Mackenzie's on top is supposed to, and we might want to text her. She's supposed to describe the data.
Okay.
But she has all the data.
Right.
So I think in order to describe
she has to do that. Okay.
Yeah. We have
and
to.
Then I'm doing
we're
the
supposed to.
occurrences.
Yeah, you're doing the next 2, and then I'm doing the last one. So on this one, she has to make a document that will evaluate concepts and summary statistics you chose. So she's got, this one's a pretty tough one.
Yeah.
But this is the only one she's doing, and then we're doing 2. But
okay.
We'll have to help her out with this. Hopefully she comes to our group meeting on Thursday. Yeah. But that's what we're supposed to do anyway, so she's just the writer. All right.
So we can just talk to her about it on Wednesday and make sure we know what's going on.
Yeah. So hopefully she is able to come on Wednesday.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll turn this in. Hey, thanks.
Yep. See ya.
Okay, have a good day. Bye.